Welcome back to Skill Pilot Tutorials. Today we're diving deep into risk scores and the most critical metrics for making smart launch decisions. Understanding these scores can save you thousands of dollars and months of wasted effort. Let's master the risk assessment engine together. First, let's access our comprehensive risk guide. Click on the Favorites menu, then select Help and Scores Guide from your Favorites menu. Here you'll find detailed explanations of all of our risk indicators. This is your go-to reference manual for understanding every metric Skill Pilot provides. Let's start with the fundamentals. Here you'll see 5 main categories of scores: market trends, risk assessment, financial performance, market position, and market dynamics. Each category contains multiple specific scores that work together to give you the complete picture. Let's start with the most critical category, risk assessment. Click on risk assessment to expand it. The launch risk score ranges from 1 to 3, where 1 means easy entry, 2 is moderate barriers, and 3 indicates high barriers to entry. This is calculated based on return risk, conversion efficiency, and return rates. Competitive intensity ranges from 3 to 10. A score of 3 means low competition. These are your golden opportunities. 5 to 7 is moderate competition, and 10 means highly competitive markets you should probably avoid as a beginner. The sales risk score goes from 0 to 100, but here's the key. Financial performance scores tell you about profit potential. The sales velocity score ranges from 0 to 100 and shows how fast products sell. Higher scores mean faster turnover and better cash flow, crucial for scaling your business. The revenue optimization score also ranges from 0 to 100 and indicates potential for revenue improvement. Higher scores suggest you can optimize pricing or positioning for better profits. Here's the secret: never rely on just one score. Let me show you a real example. This product has a launch risk of 3, a market saturation level of 2, and a profitability score of 10, resulting in a 6 overall score assessment. Which means that even though the launch risk for this product is high, if you have the correct strategy, your profitability can skyrocket. You now understand the most critical scores in Scale Pilot. Remember, bookmark this help guide in your favorites for quick reference during product research. Next, we'll show you how to use a profit calculator to model your potential returns. Happy selling!